Mbalariany mar The African Talent University TATU mayudore e boma ma Kisumo opuodhi kaka achiel kuom mbalariany ma Thurka. Maeri koro medo kwan mar mbalariany mayudore e Kenya chopo 85 kowuok e 84. Kolose e kinde chiwo bok mag puodho mbalarianyno, jatend migawo mar somo Migosi Ogamba owacho ni sirikal keto okenge makare mar neno ni jopuonjre oyudo puonj makare. Ogamba nomedo wacho ni mbalariany ma TATU en mano madhi konyo ahinya jopuonjre matiyo gi lai ma CBE nikech ong'iyo talanta ma jopuonjre nyalo bedo godo kendo tiego talantago. Jachak mbalariany ma TATU Profesa Humphrey Obora korka kore nowacho ni en kinde makoro nyaka rang yore makare ma tiego godo jopuonjre te ma ok ong'i gima giyudo.
Are also equally accepted and can be able to be seen to be capable.
Let me start by stating that this occasion marks a very clear step towards building a university education system that works for every young Kenyan. The grant of the letter of interim authority to African Talent University reflects our commitment to expanding opportunities, nurturing talent in all its forms, and keeping university education aligned with the realities of our time, including what Professor indicated as the competency-based education system which we are rolling out currently. As we grant this letter of interim authority, we are responding to a very real and growing demand for university education in our country. Each year, over 900,000 candidates sit for their KCSE examination, yet only a fraction of that number, approximately 28% or so, transition into universities that can fully nurture their diverse talents and aspirations.
Erokamano kuom medo ketera